So you've just booted up your computer and found that all your icons on the desktop screen are all over the place. How bad is that? Or how confusing is that? So let's see whether we can fix this. Right, what you need to do now is to right click on your desktop screen and look for the auto arrange icons. Once you found this, click on that. So just do a double check now to make sure that the auto arrange icons has been selected. Okay, so if you look at your screen now, you'll be able to see, look at auto arrange icons, and it has been selected. So all we need to do now is to boot it up again. So now you can see that all the icons are in place. So it makes it easier to find what you need to find. Okay, so now let's enjoy computing.